Let's see here. We are moving into the Python interpreter, how it works, and Python program, how it works, like Python language. So let me tell you the single steps. So how we are preparing the food, how we are preparing them of any type of mix of juices. Okay, like that. This Python also same, like how our body is functioning inside, how we are digesting the food, how we are intake the food, and how we are digest the food, how it we are again we are getting the energy. That's everything, like the matter is inside of the mission. Okay, we haven't even seen how the inside is happening. So the work, it is also the working of Python language. Python we already discussed in the first session. Python is a high level language, interpreted programming language. We know about the simply and readability. Here the basic overview of Python works, how it works, like source code execution. Here this is the editor, right? This is the editor. So here the editor is we are using to write the program of Python. Okay, so after writing the Python, we are using .py extension to save the file first. Okay, to save the file. Next one is, this is the source file, .py file. Okay, it's a editor. We are in the editor. We are using to write the program. This is the source file .py. We are saved in one location in the local. Next one is execution process, how it is working. So here we are having three of the methods: parsing, compilation, and execution. Parsing is nothing but the Python code is check the syntax errors. Parsing, it is checking the syntax errors. Syntax. Next one is compilation. Okay, why we are using the compilation, we are already discussed, right? It compiles the code with high level, low level to the high level. Okay, so it is completely compiled into the bytecode and it is check the independent representation. Next one is the execution. Okay, execution of the program. Here in the execution of the program, the bytecode is executed from the virtual machine. It's a Python virtual machine. Okay, after it's a compilation, first before that it's a Python, and which is like parsing, and then compilation will be happen. It's completely changing into the bytecode. Then virtual machine of Python is part of a interpreter. The like PVM, Python virtual machine is interpret the bytecode and it execute the host mission. Okay, it is giving some of the host of the execute of the mission, like memory management. How the memory management is, if we are having some variables, we are need to save the variables, right? So that is automatically memory management through the garbage collection. We are having the garbage collection. So one of the um, term to where we are storing the memory automatically inside of the Python virtual machine. So which is like Python memory manager is allocates uh, delocates and delocates the memory as we need. So next one is the standard libraries we are using. Python is rich standard libraries, is providing like modules and functions, like function file handling function, like file input and output, networking and data manipulation as well. And in this Python, you extended this Python capabilities by using the import and external libraries as well. Okay, data typing. it's a dynamic typing. Python is a dynamic type language. We are already seen, like we are meaning of this, you need not to require write a data type inside of this Python runtime environment. Next one is object oriented and functional features it is having. Okay, object oriented and also the functional features. It is supports both functional programming language like map, filter, lambda. You can see some functional features here. Functional feature: map, filter, and lambda. These are the functions. Okay, these are the functions. So based on that, the function programming language, it will be support. Then object oriented means, so it's the defines as the class and create objects. Object oriented means class and also create objects. So this is the some of the examples. First we are writing the code, and we are saving into the any type of with dot extension hello.py, index.py, any type of writing the code, and we are running the code by using of the interpreter. So it is converted into the code, like it's first it is checking the syntax by using of passing. Next one, it is the compilation. In the compilation process, the complete code changes into the bytecode can be changed. Then next one is it will be executed by the PVM. Its output is hello world to the console. So this is the process of Python. Both we can able to use easy way and making it choice for many applications in this. This is how the Python interpreter and also the workflow works in this Python. Okay, thank you so much everyone. We will meet in the next coming session. Thank you.